Well, we've got the oil pump from the Lymey bike, the black Norton over there. This is the new one. This is the old one. This one we thought was leaking. Actually, it seemed to be leaking. This is brand new. I sent them both to AMR to be checked and modified. They took this one apart, the old one, checked the modification that they had done previously, and said, we can't see anything wrong. It seems to check okay. But they did the modification on the new one without charge, which is very, very nice, very professional. So here's the new one with the AMR mod, a new oil seal around here, a new gasket, and I'm going to put this one back on the bike with the new gasket, and I'm going to put just a ghost of gasket sealer on here. I mean, just the world's thinnest, and put that on there, and then I'm going to put it back on the bike. And then I'll put a quart of oil into the oil tank and let it flow down until it comes out here, indicating that the pump is fully full. And then I'll plug this like I did the last time with a silicone plug and let it sit overnight and see if we see any indications of leakage, just as we did before. And we did see leakage on this one, but okay, we don't know. So anyway, I won't use this again. I mean, I'm sorry, I love it, but that's just a historical artifact at this point in time. We bought the client bought the new oil pump. The new oil pump is going in, and that should be the end of it. So I'm going to do that now, and we'll go over to the bike, and start the process. I'm going to do it right down here because, frankly, the lift is occupied by the other black Norton. So I'm going to put this on down here. I'll try to set this up so you can see what's going on. And I'll try to get some extra light over here. Actually, that's pretty good. I'll just open the door. All right, so I'll be back in just a moment while I get set up. All right, I'm going to put these studs in now. Got a little bit of, just a tad bit of Loctite on the threads, not much, just for the heck of it. I have the gasket placed on the pump. I'm going to drop the pump on the studs now. I love working on the floor. That's why I have the lift, but here I am working on the floor. Gasket's in place. Gears engaged. All right, what I did was just rotate the engine just a tad bit with the kicker, and it engaged, and now it's going on quite smoothly. Torque wrench is set for 10 pounds. There's 10. There's 10. £15. $15. Okay, at this point in time, I'm going to stop for a moment, put some oil in the tank, and then try for a drip down. Okay? I'll be back. All right, I'm going to kick it over by foot and see if I can get the oil to flow faster. Try it this way first. Oh, there it goes. I think I'm going to buy myself a new tripod. This one's getting very loosey-goosey. All right, so oil flow. Everybody agrees that's oil flow. Okay? So now I'm going to plug it. Nice little silicone plug. Okay. And let it sit here overnight, or at least until tonight. Tonight I'll come back here. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'll let this sit all day, and tonight I'll come out here with the blue light and see if we have any oil from anywhere. Okay, and there it is. I'll let it sit. Let us spray for no leakage at all. We'll know in about 6 or 8 hours. Well, it's still Monday the 19th. It's 9 o'clock at night. And I'm going to turn the lights out now and do a little examining of the oil pump here in the Lymey bike, and I'll do it with the black light. So here we go. Let me go turn the light out and I'll be right back. All right, let's see what we see. We switch hands here. Okay, all right. Okay. I don't see any oil. All right. Back here. Nada. All right. All right, now, unless I come out here tomorrow morning and find it, let me find a, there's no oil down here. So, unless I come out here, I'm not gonna see anything. If I come out here tomorrow morning with no oil, we're done. I think we're done. Okay. Well, it's 8:30 in the morning, and I don't see a drop of oil here in any way, shape, manner, or form. So I'm definitely going to call this done. So I'll put this bike back together. All I have to do is get this bike off the lift. So, little conflicting bikes, both Nortons, isn't that cool? All right, that's it. I'm going to publish this video. Get her done.